Hello everyone, happy November 26th. Today we celebrate cake, shopping, and the joy of sweet deals. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And if you missed out, don't worry. More exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. First up, it's National Cake Day, a delicious excuse to indulge in layers of joy. A great gift could be a cake decorating kit, a gourmet cake sampler, or a personalized cake topper. What's your dream cake flavor? Let's slice into the comments. Next, it's the start of peak holiday shopping. Whether you're browsing or buying, it's time to get festive. A thoughtful gift could be a shopping list planner, a reusable gift wrap set, or a holiday budgeting guide. What's your top shopping tip? Let's swap ideas in the comments.
Before our last event enjoying these celebrations, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends. They'll thank you later.
And finally, it's Small Business Saturday, a day to support local makers and dreamers. A sweet gift could be a handmade candle, a local artisan gift box, or a gift card to a neighborhood shop. Got a favorite small biz? Let's shout them out in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You'll find links to matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for December 26th to 31st, so you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.